Hi, this is Kevin with KG Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub with the PAC report for August 13th. We're at 255 members with 240 free and 15 VIP. I don't think there's any verifiable emails, so that is a solid number. And I've got a new splash page. Thank you to reducethehype.com. Martin over there has made a new one, and I'm going to show it to you here in a second. But first, let's go over the daily things for the Pro Advertisers Club site. There's a drop down sticky bar up here that's got information on it that is very important, and it pops down every time you log in and every time you change your page. So be checking that out. Do your daily bonus clicks and get the it's 100, then 2, 3, 4, 500, 600. Every day you do it up to 3,000 as long as you don't miss a day. If you miss a day, it resets back to zero. Site Test your sites, set up your ads here. Click here to go see the latest videos for my PAC report on my YouTube channel. To play the grid click game is the what's on that new splash page that was made. I'll be showing that to you in a second. And set up your daily bonuses. Make sure you're doing the site. Get that free advertising. And if you're not sure about the grid click, the 5+ ads, the bar here will show you if you've done all 5 to qualify for the nightly drawing. The get viral ad code is already on that splash page. So as you're splashing it, it will also be, it should attach your ID to it automatically. More about that in a second. Get your credits here by advertising, redeem your promo codes right here. In the affiliate tools is where we'll find that new splash page. Commissions is not set up yet. If you don't see any that you're supposed to be getting, don't worry. If you do notice something, send me an email and I'll send you a confirmation email to make sure you know that you're getting it. Here's the 2 offers I got going right now. We got the $69 VIP. That includes the extra 200,000 credits for a total of 347,000 credits. First 100, and then it's locked up, so get it while you can. The downline builder right here, every site that's on here I use, every single one. So get signed up, and they're all good sites. Manage your gifts. If you got gift slots, use them up. Start giving away free gifts to get signups for your sites. If you want to own a site like this, click here and go to Phil Maher's website, and he'll sell you one that's already made, or make you a custom made one, or sell you the script, and you can make your own if you're good at that kind of stuff. Use the welcome promo. A lot of people haven't used it. I've only got about half the people who signed who've used that. That's extra free ads. And still working on down here. These are all my ads right now, but eventually I'm going to make it open to you guys. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now let's go check out the new affiliate tool, new splash page. He's also responsible for the 3rd one over at reducethehype.com. And here's the 4th one. This one's really been responsible for a lot of the signups in the last couple of weeks. So here we go. Wait till you see this. This is absolutely beautiful. And here it is. Win the 4 free solo ads daily. It's got all the information for the grid click game. Click here to sign up. But here's what's really cool is I love this is that viral advertising that you can post on your websites. It's already on here. So what it's going to do when you're advertising this, your code is already embedded into here. And so your ads will be showing, I think it's the bottom one. And then on the top one, the highly recommended, I think this is going to be all the VIPs and bonus type ads. And then you got the Texas will be showing down here. So this is a way for co-advertising. Everybody's advertising everybody's sites, and it can go viral. This is how this gets seen by more than the 255 people that have joined my list. So this is very powerful right here. the more that I understand it. So use it. It get you signups. And thank you, Martin, at Pro Advertisers Club. Get over to his site, fill out his free newsletter, and check out his site. It's got nothing but free tools. I've got 2 sites right now that I pretty much depend on for tools. And I don't know his site as well as I do World Profits, so I'm learning. But I'm going to be spending more time and seeing all the different stuff he's got. So World Profit and reducethehype.com. If you need lots of free tools, those are the 2 sites that I would recommend. And so thanks again, Martin, and thanks everybody for supporting Pro Advertisers Club. And you all have a good night.